Hi, let's create this video effect using Canva. Recreating this inside of Canva is much easier than you think. Actually, it's much easier to recreate this in Canva than in any other video editing software I've come across. And this video was created in response to @Willowa1413 on YouTube, who commented on a video I posted on my YouTube channel, and he asked, can you make a barbershop advert on Canva? My response to you, Willowa, is yes, we can. And this is where I'm going to make it. This is a shorter version of a longer video ad I'm working on for you guys, and I'm going to be releasing that one very soon. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my supporters and followers, especially those of you on YouTube. You have been so amazing, and I can't say thank you enough. I gained inspiration for this effect from a page on YouTube called Storysium,
Hello filmmakers, welcome to Storysium,
who also gained his inspiration from the movie Snatch. I'm pretty sure someone else is going to gain inspiration from this video, and if you are that person, remember to tag me.
bad boy.
So without wasting much time, let's go. All you need to do is to hop into Canva and then click on create a design. You scroll down to video and then you click on it. So I have the names of all the elements I'm going to be using written on my Google Keep Notes. So I'm just going to be referring to it to make this entire process much easier. All right. So now the first thing I'm going to look for will be portrait of a barber. This one. So let me just copy it, and I'll scroll down to videos, click on it, and then I just search for that, hit enter. Let's just scroll down. The idea is to get a video that has enough space around it that you can separate the background from the foreground, and then also you can make the image move forward like you saw in the video. All right, so I think this one is pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna drag it out, scale it up like so, holding out so that it scales proportionally. Now after scaling my video, all I want to do is to adjust the duration of the video. This is because I'm going to export this video as an image, that's as a picture. And what Canva does is that whenever you're exporting a video as a picture, it will only export the first frame of the video. That's the first image you see playing in the video whenever you click on it. All right, so I want it to be a particular size of the image or of the video that I want to export. Let me show you what I mean. So I click on my image, my video, I click on the duration, and then I'm going to edit it to this side. So that means that Canva is going to export just this side as the image. All right, so I click on done, then I click on share, then I'm going to scroll down to download, and then change this to MP4, PNG. All right, that's the best image type I can think of right now. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish downloading. Then I'm going to click away, click Ctrl Z to undo the duration I've just adjusted. Then I'm going to click on my downloads, and then I need it to show inside my folder, all right, because I'm going to import this picture back into Canva. So it's just going to load, and then there we have it. I'm going to drop it back in here just like that, and then I'm going to click on add a new page, and then I click on my image. All right, the image I just imported, and I'm going to scale it up holding alt. All right, so I'll hold alt again and then drag to duplicate it. So I'm going to edit the duplicated image. I'm just going to remove the background. So the next thing you do is to click on apply, and then you click on the background, click on edit image, and you click on adjust, and you are going to reduce the saturation down to 0, and then you are going to increase the blurriness just a little bit, and then you adjust the image in the foreground. Okay, this one, the one that still has color, to cover the one behind. And then you increase the size a little bit because we are going to be editing the image some more. We are going to add shadows to this particular image, and then click on the glow shadow effect. You click on the controls icon. This is why I increase the size, is because whenever you add the shadow, it reduces the size. All right, so you reduce the blurriness over here, and then you increase the transparency. You change the color to white or whatever color you want, and then you increase the size of the shadow. All right, now we would still have to increase the size of the image, but we hold Alt to keep the image centered, just like this. It's looking fine because it has covered the background image. So the next thing we want to do is to animate the image. All right, so now we're going to add the breathe effect, and then we are going to leave it at breathe. The animation would happen on the out. Okay, so breathe out. All right, next thing we want to do is to come over to our elements, click on elements, and then we are going to search for scribble smear illustration. I copy it over here and then I just paste it, hit enter. So let's scroll through. This is the one I want to use, so I'll hold Alt and then increase the size. And this looks okay. I'm going to drag it this way and change the color. All right, I think I have the color code over here, 00E8FF. Click on add new color. I control V it so that it copies the color. Now I'm just going to flip it horizontally like so, and then I'm going to click on shift and then I hit Ctrl and G to group it. Now I'm going to add animation, that's the breathe animation, but for the element is going to be in. All right, so you see that as the image is coming outward, the illustration is moving inward, and that's exactly what I want. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to hit T to add the text, and then let's increase the text size and then write whatever we want to write. Ctrl A to select everything. Let's left align it. Now we're going to drag it this way, and then we're going to change the font to just or just. So I'm going to use the black italic. There we go. Let's reduce the line spacing. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, this looks better. And then we are going to animate this as well. But first, let's change the effects. Okay, let's just give it a little outline. Right, let's increase the thickness and then change the color. Let's use the skin color of the barber right here. All right, this looks better. And then let's animate the text. Yes, merge. Let's play one more time and see how it looks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.